Mars rebrands its female M&M's chocolate characters, ditching high heels for sneakers to make them more representative of customers. Okay, I saw this. Do people in high heels not buy M&Ms? Is that what's going on? Like, what is that representative customers? So they know that there's not a lot of high heels buying their M&Ms? The M&M's chocolate characters have a new look. Most notably, one female character is wearing sneakers rather than high heels in its ads. The company said it wants to make its characters more representative of its customers. Oh, so they're keeping one with high heels, but the other one got sneakers.
Yeah.
See, I never even...
You wouldn't notice these details, right? Neither would I.
I didn't even know there were that many M&Ms.
Yeah.
Characters.
Did you know that...
kind of weird. I was eating M&Ms yesterday, though. Before this
really?
news
Were
broke.
you?
Yeah, I was. Peanut M&Ms, which was like left over in my cupboard. It was like one of those holiday M&Ms packs. It had like a Christmas theme.
Oh, okay.
So I don't even think it had all the colors. I think it was just red and green. But green was in there.
Do you know which ones have beef?
With each other?
Yeah.
No.
So the brown one and the green one supposedly have beef.
Like they don't like each other.
In the past and in the commercials. But now everyone's good. They squash the beef. That's what the story is told.
I had no idea there's so much going on with M&Ms. I'm noticing the orange one looks terrified.
Yeah, they all represent the character. Yeah, he's very scared. The red one is supposed to be angry or mean.
Who's the cool? Is blue the cool one?
Yeah.
Okay. Because his eyelids are low, so he's got to be cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so scroll down. Let's see what the incentive was here. Mars Wrigley, makers of the popular candy, has made a subtle change to the look of the characters that appear in its ads, most notably replacing high heels for sneakers on one of its female characters and putting the other in a lower pair of what height is allowed? It's a lower pair of heels on the brown M&M. In a statement reported by CNN, Anton Vincent, president of Mars Wrigley North America, said its new look is designed to make the female characters more representative of the consumer. It's a subtle cue, he said, but it's a cue people really pick up on. So I guess if then it sounds like what they're saying is that their customers are more likely to be wearing sneakers. Mm-hmm. That's what that sounds like to me.
Yeah, but also I feel like this might be a bit of a political move to make everyone more friendly. I don't know if you remember, like in the commercials, they had beef.
No, I know you just said that. I never paid attention to it. So,
and the red one was always mean to the other ones.
So they're not going to do that anymore either, or is that still allowed?
No.
Oh, they're not doing that.
Everyone is cool now. Everyone squashed the beef.
Just a bunch of cool M&Ms. Well, if there's no story, I have to assume that it'll be less entertaining if there's nothing going on between the two of them. But yeah, I mean, I can see the angle that it's like, it's some sort of woke thing, but. Honestly, I don't really care that much about this one. I'm like, if they actually have data to suggest that their female customers are more likely to be wearing sneakers than high heels, I'm putting sneakers too. If that's actually the case,
yeah, a lot of people,
or maybe not. I don't know, or maybe not because it's like, do I really relate to Do I buy an M&M because of the footwear?
So you're exactly what Twitter's saying. Like, they're just saying that it's just candy. Like, don't make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, maybe, okay, let's just go one other angle. Maybe the whole point of it is to get an article on Insider and to, like, do you ever think it'll get to a point where it becomes so obvious the way people are going to react that you can just pull that string.
Sure.
And they're like, hey, let's do something really crazy and change the footwear on the green M&M and watch the internet go nuts. Like, you have one side that's saying, yes, finally, even though barely anything happened. And then the other side, which is saying, oh my God, ruined by wokeness. And then all of a sudden you have a nice little argument and everybody's just thinking about M&Ms. Like, that's futuristic 4D chess. Just pull on those strings and keep selling your candy. I never thought about M&Ms so much.
Yeah, it's very big brain. I want to eat some M&Ms.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's my point, man.